Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Chris from the Nerd Computer Hill. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install RAM for a laptop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unplug it and then close it, put it back. I always pull out the battery just in case, so that's always safety. Then there are 4 screws, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right over back. So we're just going to unscrew these. Usually any screwdriver. Actually these are fairly small, so you probably need a fairly small one. Also, when you're doing it, make sure you have the right type of RAM for the laptop that you're using. Older versions, DDR1, mid-range like Windows Vista, DDR2, and brand new is usually DDR3 RAM. Also be aware of how much RAM the operating system that you have installed can handle, because certain operating systems cannot handle more than a certain amount of RAM. Currently in this computer there are 2 GB installed. That's another 2 GB stick, which will bump it up to 4. And later on in the video I'll show you a way to check that. Sometimes these things are a pain. You think the screw's all the way out and it's not. There we go. So, got that back panel off. Just in case you're wondering, the stuff in here, that's a hard drive, and right here is our RAM. So what you do, to remove it, you pull back on these things, and it'll pop up, and then you can just pull it out. So that's what you do. To install it again, at an angle you push it in, then push straight down, and you'll hear it pop into place. Then again you did the same for the second one, it's just you have to line it up higher. And those are in place. Now I'll just hop on a computer and show you guys that everything's working correctly. Alright, here we are on the computer. Going to Control Panel. I'll wait for that to load. Then you're going to go to System and Security. Once there, click on System, or View Amount of RAM and Processor Speed. And as you can see, all 4 GB of RAM are correctly installed. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.